I'm Lucy and welcome to Beauty Leaks, your favorite source of beauty news. In today's episode, Dawson and Jeffree Star update, Huda Beauty, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Maleficent, and new product releases and new collaborations. Huda Beauty just released new 18-pan eyeshadow palette, Mercury Retrograde. It has pink, teal, purples, nude neutral shades in 4 different finishes. You have 9 mattes, 6 high shine metallics, 1 glitter powder, and 2 sheer multi-reflected shadows. Huda said it's her prettiest palette yet, and the visuals look stunning. Have a look. For sure this palette is going to be a huge success, and not necessarily because of the shades or for the quality of the shadows, but for the struggling and aspiring influencers that are going to run to buy this palette so they can create countless looks in hopes that Huda will repost the look on her Instagram. And don't get me wrong, Huda Beauty has almost 40 million followers on Instagram, and that kind of exposure can elevate your career. Janice, can we send this video to Huda and ask for a repost? Like right now. Thank you. The palette will retail for $67, and there's also going to be limited edition brush set. It's 3 double-sided brushes in holographic pouch for $44. I mean, Huda, good for you. Kaleidos Makeup just launched Space Age Highlighter Collection. It's 6 lightweight multi-chrome highlighter packed in cute boxes that look a little bit too thick for the amount of product that we are getting inside. Nevertheless, they are super cute and the shades are gorgeous. You have Comet Crusher, Fluorescent Fuchsia with a peach veneer, Star Surfer, Champagne shade with a little bit of rose gold shift, Ray Rider, nice gold peach, Skywalker, Iridescent Blue with a pink shift, Laser Grazer, Goldy Brown with light green shift, and Solar Sailor Proper Gold. Cute, right? You can get single highlighters for $14 or the whole set of 6 for $76. Let's talk about MAC Maleficent collection. I mean, basically, we're done because there's no actual collection. When we heard that MAC will launch Maleficent collection, we were expecting something like they did before for other movies like Aladdin, when you had limited edition packaging, limited edition eyeshadow palette, or even better, if there was like a face palette with a contour, brightening powder, and a highlight, so you can create the actual Maleficent look. But when you go to MAC website, you can see that Maleficent collection is actually a selection of products that were available before, no special packaging, no new releases. But are those products portraying Maleficent vibe? Yes, definitely, without a doubt. But for a movie with such an iconic makeup, we were expecting so much more. And we wonder what went wrong. Did someone plan this like this? If so, that person should be fired. Or maybe factory didn't deliver products on time, so MAC has to do something. Well, we don't know, so we sent our reporter to MAC Boutique to find out all the tea. MAC employee that likes to be anonymous when asked about the collection said, and I quote, "It's not a collection really, it's just a bunch of old products selected to fit the movie. Well, MAC, you're struggling to keep your position on the market, and if you're on the why, fiascos like this are the answer." 2 months ago, everyone was launching foundation, and now everyone is launching lashes. Anastasia Beverly Hills will launch 6 styles of lashes, 5 of them gonna be synthetic, and 1 is gonna be human hair. Lashes will retail for £12, and they're gonna be available online on 28th of October and in stores on 31st. There'll also be scissors and the tweezers, and to be honest, for a huge brand like this, those lashes look quite basic. If you like kinda affordable skincare and you like cute cartoon moment, Creme just launched collection with Hello Kitty. You will find pink water cream, ultra dewy face cream, under eye patches that will hydrate, smooth and brighten, and they are infused with collagen and caviar, brightening apple essence serum, Me Time Youth Promoting Sheet Mask, setting spray infused with rose water and diamonds, that's interesting. Complete cleansing wipes that will remove all the dirt, oil and waterproof makeup. Whipped cacao hand cream with shea butter and vitamin E that will hydrate and repair the skin on your hands. And there's also a cute little moment with a plush headband. The price range is from $4 for a face mask to $20 for a face cream. Cute, I need to make an order. Jeffree Star and Dawson collaboration update. Well, to be honest, despite the few promo pictures they posted online, there's not much to say. The video that's supposed to be on Friday was moved to premiere on Monday. So on Monday we have episode number 5 and on Tuesday episode number 6. And we are all gagging to see the actual collection, know the prices, see the full range. But I guess it's gonna be worth a wait. And for sure the review of this collection is gonna be on this channel. So make sure to subscribe. And that's all the beauty news for today. Stay hydrated and see you next Sunday.